Welcome to FAB Funds. We're here to make those tough money decisions, well, simple and clear for you.
You ever feel like you're at a financial crossroads and you're just not sure which way to go? Maybe you've got an amazing mortgage rate, but you need cash. It's a really tough spot to be in.
Or maybe your business is absolutely crushing it, but on paper, your tax returns tell a different story.
Or how about this one? Those high-interest business payments are just killing your cash flow every single month.
Or you're buying a home and just anxiously watching those interest rates tick up. Talk about stressful, right?
We build explainers for you, the homeowner who wants to tap into your equity without losing that great rate.
And for you entrepreneurs, we've got guides on how to fund your business without those costly cash advances.
We get right into the nitty-gritty of the math for all you aspiring house hackers out there. And for tech professionals, we show you exactly how to make those stock awards count for your mortgage.
So yeah, that's what we're all about. Our whole mission is to take you from confusion to clarity.
And look, we're not here to sell you anything. We're here to give you a plan, your plan.
Our process is pretty simple, actually. We start with your specific question, and then we break down all the options.
We even build tools for you, like side-by-side comparisons and checklists so you can see what's what. The whole point is to empower you, to give you the knowledge you need to move forward with confidence. So if you're ready for some clear answers to your money questions, go ahead and subscribe for your weekly explainer.